How you gonna put them together, bro? Are you gonna glue them? Gallery department and pay like 900, bro.
But what the hell?
You can just make them at home. What's good, YouTube? It's 4K and I'm back with another video. You already know, bro. We better be making some flare fucking jeans. Y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all here for a reason. I know I don't got that much subscribers, but bro, I've been slacking because you already know you can see a new environment, bro. I've been moving and we out the trenches, you feel me? But hey, content's about to go crazy. We got a backyard now, garage is about to be crazy. First, let's get into the things you need. And bro, if you don't have fucking jeans, bro, why are you even on the video? So jeans are an essential. A thread breaker, thread remover, anything. It just goes into the thread and just breaks it. Bobby pins, whatever you want to call it. Another thing you need is a tape measure. And bro, if you don't have it, bro, go buy one. If you have a long ruler, bro, more than 12 inches, pause is gonna be hella useful, bro, because you can get straight lines. With this, it's really just for the measurements. For the line, you might need to use something else that's just flat. And of course, you need a sewing machine, bro. It's common sense. How you gonna put them together, bro? Are you gonna glue them? You can use fabric glue, but it's not gonna stay forever, bro. For that thread, bro, you are gonna need a thicker thread. It's gonna be some jeans, bro. You don't want to put it in the washer. It's gonna get unthreaded, breaking and shit. It's not really a common thing to happen, bro, but for jeans, you do need a longer thread.
Boy, if you
Hold on, not a longer thread, a thicker thread. You need a pen and a piece of paper, bro. A long piece of paper, or just tape 2 pieces of paper, because we are gonna draw the panel out and then we're gonna cut the jeans out. And this is what you need to cut the fabric, bro. If you don't have a good pair of scissors, bro, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. First thing you wanna do is get this little tool, go under these little threads, and bro, just pack them out one by one, bro. I know it's gonna take a long time, but you don't wanna go on gallery department and pay like 900, bro. You can just make them at home. So either take some time or take some money. And when you're done, it should look something like this. All you gotta do now is just iron it out. I have mine on maximum heat. Next thing you want to do is actually measure the side of your leg while wearing the pants, and just measure how big you want the flare. After that, you take those measurements and put them on the paper and just cut it out, and you're basically done for this step. After you get the measurement, just cut it out. After you're done, it should look something like this. I just made mine 12 inches by 6 inches on the side. Next, you want to take your panel and put it on the pants wherever it fits. Mine is just 6 inches, so it will not fit on the bottom. Now you just want to trace it out. Don't cut it yet, because the next step is really crucial. Now it should look like this, and trust, bro, you don't have to make this perfect at all. You can see I already messed up right here, and on the bottom. So trust me, it doesn't matter. We're just going to need this inner panel, and we're going to cut all the way around it. You only want to cut the bottom line off because these side panels will actually help you. Next thing you want to do is fold against these lines and then iron it. And now you got a folded panel. Next thing you want to do is get this seam ripper and go against this line right here. Now you can just pull hella hard. Make sure you don't go too high, because it's going to be a longer process for you to sew the whole pants back again. Now I'm guessing that you know how to use a sewing machine. If you don't, just comment down below any questions that you want to be answered. I can just make another video explaining how to do everything on the sewing machine that you guys asked. The next step is you just want to take the pants and flip them inside out, and I couldn't show y'all that since my phone died. Now that your pants are inside out, you see this little panel that's just flopping out, and we did the same thing with this. As you can see, this is the corner, like right here, and this is the bottom. So you just take this little thing and you just align them together. I know it's a little long, you can see right here, so they're aligned. You just want to get both panels and get the bobby pins and put them through, and you're gonna have something like this. Probably gonna look better than mine, but just be careful, don't poke yourself, because I just did. Just finished the other side, and right here there's a Sharpie mark. So y'all want to go ahead and check after you put your bobby pins in and look at it from the inside. So there's no Sharpie marks, and now we're good to sew. So the next thing you want to do is just sew it together, and I'm guessing y'all know how to sew, so just do it slowly. You actually want to do this when you start sewing from the bottom and when you reach the top. So you just press this little lever down, and then basically you're just going to reverse sew, and you can keep going. This is going to guarantee that it's not going to fall off. Now that we're done sewing, all we got to do now is cut out the rest of the panel. Now it's nice and clean. And as y'all can see, I'm wearing a whole nother t-shirt, and bruh, I had to record this part a whole nother day, bro. This shit got me tired. I'm not even finna dub to y'all, but all we gotta do now is just flip the pants inside out. We're not all the way done, because I'm about to add more things to it, but if y'all just want like basic flare jeans, then you got it right here. As y'all can see, you already know we got the fire flare jeans, and this is the other side. It has a little distressing from the other jeans. Now if y'all can see, these two jeans are not even, so all we gotta do now is just cut it out. As you can see, now they're all even. Just fold it like this so you get an even cut. If If you want this little distressed look, I got y'all right here. All you gotta do is just go to the bottom and start pulling, and eventually you'll see a lot of strings come out like this. I'm not done with these pants. I'm gonna add one more thing right here, and it's this little woven tag. I got this from a free sample from this Pakistan manufacturer. If y'all want to know how to get free samples from Pakistan manufacturers, comment down below. I'll make a whole video on it. You already know these are the results. Stop playing. I am not gatekeeping, bro. Y'all see the flicks right here. Hey, another one right here. Stop, bro. I did this all by myself. Stop playing. I'm not asking y'all to like or subscribe, but if you did enjoy the video or you found it really useful, bro, just drop a sub and put the noti bell on, because I'm about to be posting content just like this more and more and more. Even though I got like 30 subscribers, bro, we gonna build this shit up and we gonna keep mobbing. Trust, cutthroat band on top. We not stopping. I ain't even try to rhyme that, bro. So drop a like, bro. And this is what you're gonna use to cut the sit.